Welcome to the MLA 8th edition tutorial. MLA formatting style is more commonly used within general education work here at Regent, as well as in majors such as animation, cinema, television, English, international studies, and theater. In addition, Regent's Graduate School of Communication and the Arts generally uses MLA formatting as well. When thinking about citing sources in MLA, consider the following information. Cite facts common to most works. Previous editions of MLA focused on publication format, for example, book, film, print, etc., but this made it difficult to cite new mediums such as ebooks or websites. Thus, the MLA 8th edition focuses on visible features according to universal guidelines. Consider that there is more than one way to cite sources correctly in MLA 8th edition. A writer who credits authors for borrowed materials may need to provide less information than a writer who discusses specific information about two separate editions of a work. Scholars working in specialized fields may need to provide more specifics than those who write for a more generalized audience. Facts that are cited will depend on the specifics of the assignment and the reasons for citing the work. Also consider that citations should be useful to those reading the work. When completing written assignments where you used borrowed information from another source, cite works to demonstrate thoroughness of your research, to give credit to those original sources, and to assist readers with locating those original sources. General formatting guidelines in MLA includes 1-inch margins on all sides of the paper, uses Times New Roman 12-point font, is double-spaced and left justified, uses paragraph indents, uses one space after concluding punctuation marks unless your professor prefers and indicates two spaces, no internal headings within the body unless otherwise specified, and utilizes no title page. Instead of the title page, writers will include their name, the professor's name, the course number and title, and the date on the top left of the paper. When composing the title for the paper, center it. Do not bold, italicize, or underline it. Do not put it in quotation marks or in capitals, double space, and be creative. Here's an example of an MLA formatted title. When incorporating page numbers into the MLA document, place them in the upper right corner of the header. Make sure that they are 1/2 inch from the top of the page, that they are flush with the right margin. Include your last name and the page number, for example, Longfellow 1. Start on the first page. Do not include any symbols or punctuation, and use Times New Roman 12-point font. When composing an MLA works cited page, continue pagination from the main text of the paper. List all entries in alphabetical order. Double-space the entries. Use a hanging indent for each entry, and begin each entry with the last name of the first author, but write the names of all other authors in first name, last name format for easier readability. Within the works cited page, the headings works cited should appear centered on the top of the page. All works cited entries should be double-spaced with hanging indent, and they should be arranged alphabetically according to the author's last name. Here's the disclaimer. The professor has the final word on all style manual requirements for the class. The policy of the writing lab is to refer students to their professor, their course syllabus, and their style manual. If you need more assistance with the MLA style, you can give us a call at 757-352-4925. Thank you for viewing and for making the most out of your Regent's experience.